Hey everybody, this is Donnie from ADEX Clubs, and today's workout is a complex that we're going to begin with side swings. We're going to do two-handed side swings. The side that I'm swinging to is going to be the top hand, so the hand will be this way. My right hand is on the top. So do the side swing, get your hips involved in it, give a little curtsy, keep those arms nice and long, switch hands, switch grips, go up to the other side. There you go. Right from there, go into some side strikes with the crossbody strike. So we're going to go from here, from the side strike position to the crossbody and back over. 1 and 1 is 1. Do those for 5 reps. Do the first one for 10 reps. Third exercise is going to be swing and stick. Do a front swing with the club along the side of you and bang, right out in the front. Nice and stiff arm, just like that. Don't bring it in and drop the club down. Here, and then cast it out. And boom, stick it right there. Do those for 3 reps. Go to the next exercise, which is going to be, it's akin to the side swing, but you're going to go around the world. Bring it up. Elbows up high, arms locked, shoulders back down, and continue around. Boom. Right up there. Don't have your shoulders up here, no good. Just like that. Go around. Get your hips involved in those. Put them all together. Do those around the world for 10 reps each direction. Try to get 5 rounds of that. See you guys out there. Peace.